Hey everyone, in this Photoshop tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to make custom shapes in Photoshop. So what you need to do is just go to your left side, and then in here you will see your tools, and then go to your rectangle tool option. So yours probably gonna look like this. So right click on your rectangle tool, and then in here you will see custom shape tool. So you can just click on here. And then right now it's gonna give you a random one. So if you drag left and then click on it, so you can get a shape. But if you wanna do like another custom shape, you can just right click, and then this tab is going to be open. In here you can just choose any of the shapes. So you can choose trees, boats, flowers, or animals. So I will be choosing this one, and then if you just left click, and then as you guys can see, we got a tiger. So this is how to make custom shapes in Adobe Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. See you guys in the next one.